In today's video, I'm gonna show you Fedora versus Linux Mint. Is it a productivity showdown 2026? Fedora Workspace is a cutting-edge Linux distro backed by Red Hat's expertise, known for pushing new software, drivers, and features on a short release cadence and defaulting to the modern GNOME desktop. This means if you want the latest kernels, fresh applications quickly after they're released, seamless Flatpak support, and strong open source principles, Fedora often puts you closer to the leading edge of Linux tech, a big plus for developers, cloud engineers, and power users who want the tools and updates without delay. Fedora's modern stack and background security features like CLinux also reinforce the feeling of a forward-looking, efficient desktop environment. Linux Mint, in contrast, leans heavily towards stability, user-friendliness, and a familiar workflow ideal for everyday productivity. Based on Ubuntu's long-term support releases, Mint Cinnamon, Mate, or XFCE desktops feel comfortable and intuitive, especially for users coming from Windows or macOS. Its Software Manager and Update Manager simplifies software installation and maintenance, and it includes multimedia codecs and proprietary drivers out of the box to minimize setup time. This emphasis on ease and predictability makes Mint a solid choice for writing, office work, content creation, and general tasks where it just works matters more than having the newest package versions. Productivity comparisons from user ratings reflect these strengths. Reviewers often find Mint easier to start with and manage, while Fedora's direction and pace of innovation attract those who want to stay current. In practical terms, Fedora rewards users with a sleek GNOME workflow and rapid updates, whereas Mint delivers a familiar, dependable desktop experience with long-term support. Fedora excels for cutting-edge tasks and modern workflows, while Linux Mint shines for stability-focused productivity and ease of use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.